Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of stock photography and exploring how you can generate passive income by selling your photos online. If you have a passion for photography and want to turn it into a profitable venture, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what stock photography is. In a nutshell, it's the practice of licensing your photos to individuals and businesses for various purposes, such as websites, advertisements, publications, and more. The demand for high-quality visuals is ever increasing, and this presents a fantastic opportunity for photographers to monetize their talent. There are various genres within stock photography, including landscapes, lifestyle, business, food, and so much more. It's essential to find your niche and focus on capturing images that are in demand. Think about what sets your photos apart and what kind of visuals people are searching for. Now, let's talk about the technical side. Quality is key when it comes to stock photography. Ensure your images are sharp, well-composed, and properly exposed. Post-processing is also crucial, as it allows you to enhance your photos and make them more appealing to potential buyers. Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop are popular editing tools, but there are also free alternatives like GIMP and Lightzone. Once you have your stunning photos ready, it's time to choose the right platform to showcase and sell your work. Some popular stock photography platforms include Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, and Alamy. Research each platform to understand their submission guidelines, licensing options, and royalty rates. Now let's talk about subjects and model releases. When it comes to people or recognizable locations, you'll need a signed model release to ensure legal compliance. This document grants you permission to use the image commercially. If you're unsure about the rules and regulations, consult a lawyer or read through the platform's guidelines. The magic of keywords. Adding relevant and descriptive keywords to your photos is crucial for discoverability. Think about what someone might search for when looking for an image like yours. Be specific and detailed in your keywording, but also avoid overusing irrelevant keywords. This will help your photos rank higher in search results and increase the chances of them being licensed. Now, let's talk about the exciting part passive income. While stock photography won't make you a millionaire overnight, it has the potential to generate a steady stream of passive income. The key is consistency and building a diverse portfolio. As you add more high-quality photos to your collection and they get licensed, your income can grow over time. It's like planting seeds that bear fruit long after you've sown them. Remember, stock photography is not just about capturing beautiful images. It's also about understanding market trends and catering to the needs of buyers. Keep an eye on popular themes, upcoming events, and emerging trends. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and produce images that are in high demand. So, if you have a passion for photography and want to turn it into a source of passive income, why not give stock photography a try? Start by honing your skills, building a diverse portfolio, and joining reputable stock photography platforms. With patience and dedication, you can transform your love for photography into a rewarding online business. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the world of generating passive income with stock photography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on photography and online entrepreneurship. Now, grab your camera and start capturing those money-making shots. Until next time, keep shooting and keep earning.